Puppies on. Probably like the calculation. Okay, so I did miss a good portion of the start of the week. The guys have absolutely crushed a few items on our list. We've got Abby flying, so I'm gonna update you on that. A few things have happened on Hobo, and Larry will be going out in about a week and a half. So exciting. That's new. Okay, so this build's getting a 10-foot awning, or got a 10-foot awning. That is a Fiamma F45. Yeah, an F45S. It's a manual awning, cranks out really quickly. It is starting to look very good with all the black accents on this steel blue color. Okay, so Guy got this awning up, I believe yesterday, maybe the day before. Fairly easy install, he said. So on the outside, you've got a bracket. Where is that bracket? Right there. And one more back there. This does have to happen all before paneling goes in, because you need to add at least a 3/4 inch backer. So if you guys can see this, there's our first backer. That's 3/4 inch Baltic. All that happens, bracket goes up, find your mounting position. The kit comes with some big lag bolts. Those punch through the van into your backer, and it get held on by, I believe it's 3 or 4 lag bolts. Same thing on the back end. Here's a better look. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is definitely new. That's new. That's looking very good. Okay, so this is that marathon weave fabric. What color is this? Riverstone.
Riverstone going on. Pretty cool choice. This Riverstone color, it's gonna be on all the walls in this build. Kyle chose that for his wall surfaces. And then his roof, that's gonna be an oatmeal color, I believe. So kind of a lighter tan. Guy does all of the pillars first. These are all exposed surfaces that after our wall panels go on, well, for example, right here, our wall panel will go to about here, and then it'll hide all that stuff. This little piece, Guy's installed that so that we don't have any seam showing between our roof panel and our wall panel. We don't want to see any of that galvanized metal. That's definitely new. So this right here is a custom window sill, I guess. This is about 10 layers of designer edge. It's very similar to a Baltic birch. All laminated together, sanded out, and clear coated. This was a Christian, Guy, and John assembly. Okay, so we have multiple bodies right now in and out of Abby. That is because electrical is currently being laid out. Frankie's wrapping that up. Guy is prepping all the pillars with that fabric that I showed you guys. And then Cole is also in and out. He is testing and prepping the plumbing going on in that build. So a lot happening in Abby. And here's some commotion in Hobo too. Currently some...
Yeah, 11.
Some deliberation happening in the hobo build. What are you working on?
Putting in a toilet vent.
Okay, so Cole has prepped on the outside the vent. This is the composting toilet vent. So that keeps all the stinky out. Frank, anything new?
Not really wiring.
Nothing new from Frank, just coming up with a good schematic of this wiring layout, because this being one of our spec builds, we'll be doing the exact same thing down the road. This is our first look at an electrical cabinet. Identical units, so the one is behind it. Not sure if you can see that. One side will be electrical, the other side matching, exactly mirrored, that'll be plumbing. And so for example, if this was electrical side, our batteries are being housed here, our inverter. This portion is what's going over the wheel well. So those are a Baltic construction or designer edge, whatever was available. A clear coated and sanded finish. Next step, after Frank gets his wiring diagrams done, he will actually be setting up this unit. Both the electrical cabinet and the plumbing cabinet will be all bench built, and then the guys have designed all of the inputs for plumbing and electrical to quick connect once these units go into the build. Efficiency. Okay, we're about to step into some finishing happening in the paint booth. On the spray gun. What's your confidence level?
Out of 10, probably like a 4, 5.
Whoa.
We're working on it though. Better get over here.
Okay, Logan's on the sprayer for the first time.
Closer, like your outside spray so that you've got that closer to the center. Okay. You're further over this way. You should be further this way. Up? Yeah, and a little bit more tipped up.
How's he doing?
Doing fine.
How do you feel?
Better now.
Okay, so that was John taking Logan under his wing, learning some finishing skills. That was his first time on a sprayer.